A tragic crash at NAIA Terminal 1 this morning claimed the lives of two people, including a child. Authorities are now looking into how an SUV veered into the pedestrian walkway. Joan Manalo has the story.
A black Ford Everest rammed through the outer railing and into the walkway of NAIA Terminal 1's curbside departure area around 8 o'clock this morning. Two people died in the incident, including a 5-year-old girl, the daughter of an overseas Filipino worker, and a 29-year-old man. Meanwhile, 3 others were injured and sent at San Juan de Dios Hospital in Pasay City. Initial reports indicate that the driver of the SUV was dropping off a passenger at the airport when the incident happened.
Yung driver ay may hinatid na pasahero. May isa siyang pasaherong hinatid at pagkababa nung pasahero, tinulungan niyang ibaba yung bag ng pasahero. Pumunta na yung pasahero sa papasok ng NAIA at doon na, no, biglang nakita namin yung sasakyan na rumagasa.
Dizon says authorities are still working to determine the cause of the crash.
Right now, initially, mukha namang hindi pumunta dito yung driver para managasa. No? Hindi intentional dahil nga nakita natin na meron talaga siyang hinatid na pasahero dito. Dito siya huminto. Dito. Somewhere here. Huminto siya dito, binaba yung pasahero at ayun, hindi natin ngayon alam kung ano ang nangyari. No? Ayoko munang magsabi ng kahit ano, ng detalye kasi ongoing ang investigation ni General Abesha at ng PNP.
This area is where the black SUV crashed into the outer railing and the walkway of NAIA Terminal 1. As you can see, this part right here, one of the railings has been removed due to the incident.
These notes that the driver is now under police custody and will undergo mandatory drug testing.
We will also have to look at other angles of the CCTV footage. No? So let's wait for that.
Meanwhile, the Land Transportation Office has preventively suspended the license of the driver involved for 90 days. The driver is now facing charges of reckless imprudence resulting to homicide, physical injuries, and damage to property. Additionally, new NAIA Infra Corporation President and ultra-billionario Ramon Ang says that he will personally shoulder the medical expenses of those injured and provide financial assistance to the families of those who died in the crash. Joan Manalo, Billionario News Channel.